Starting around the 2nd of June 2023, torrential slide sort of is exchanging at $14.11 in term of its USD rate, with the value change of 0.22% in sort of most recent 60-minute. Or so they certainly thought. Avax explicitly has a complete market cap of $4,853,648,366 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $116,340,867 in an every way that really matters, large way. This truly makes torrential slide truly positioning at 16 in the digital currency market, which especially is genuinely critical. On the off chance that you really are a crypto financial backer and considering what in every practical sense is the torrential slide cost expectation end of 2023. What will torrential slide basically be worth in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? Is torrential slide an especially wise speculation or sort of worth purchasing in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Will Avax cost explicitly outperform its unsurpassed sort of high in a fundamentally significant manner? These in a real sense are our torrential slide cost expectations for Avax's future in an unobtrusive manner. Torrential slide value expectation 2023 as per the torrential slide figure cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the Avax cost truly is supposed to commonly cross a sort of normal value level of $18.62. The normal especially least value worth of torrential slide toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to in every way that really matters be $17.91 in a kind of huge way. Besides, Avax can for the most part arrive at a truly greatest value level of $19.37 in an unobtrusive manner. Avax value gauge June 2023. The torrential slide figure for June 2023 expects that the Avax may essentially arrive at an especially greatest worth of $15.28 within an every practical sense. Lease cost of around $13.59, which generally is very critical. Discussing the in every way that really matters. Normal value Avax can buy in large stretch around $14.86 for June in an every way that really matters, significant way. Torrential slide value expectation July 2023. Torrential slide cost generally is supposed to for the most part reach between $14.60 to $15.88 in July 2023, while the typical cost of a Avax for the July generally remains around $15.31. Torrential slide value forecast August 2023. Torrential slide cost truly is supposed to generally reach between $15.35 to $16.49 in August 2023, while the especially normal cost of a Avax for the August basically remains around $15.92. A Avax value estimate September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of torrential slide in a real sense is gauged to in a real sense be at around a truly least worth of $15.85, which generally is very huge. The torrential slide value worth can especially arrive at a for the most part limit of $17.13 with the very normal exchanging worth of $16.55 in USD in an unpretentious way. Avax value estimate October 2023. Concerning October 2023, torrential slide essentially is supposed to especially arrive at a fundamentally least value worth of $16.51, showing how besides Avax can essentially arrive at a truly greatest value level of $19.37, which generally is very huge. The Avax cost could truly arrive at a sort of greatest cost of $17.79 with the kind of typical cost around $17.22, which generally is genuinely critical. Torrential slide value expectation November 2023. Concerning November 2023, torrential slide cost in every practical sense is conjecture to explicitly arrive at an all things considered most reduced cost of $17.34, which truly is genuinely huge. The Avax cost could explicitly arrive at a sort of most extreme cost of $18.48 with the exceptionally normal expected cost around $17.90, showing the way that the Avax cost could truly arrive at a genuinely greatest cost of $17.79 with the genuinely normal cost around $17.22, which is very critical. Torrential slide value expectation December 2023. The cost for torrential slide in December 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $17.91 and $19.37 in a sort of huge manner, while the typical exchanging cost ought to be around $18.62 in a significant manner. Torrential slide kind of past value examination in the essentially beyond 24 hours. The crypto generally has been especially diminished by 0.02% in its fundamentally current worth, which really is genuinely critical. Assuming we in a real sense look at the exceptionally current market cap of the Avax with yesterday, you can explicitly see that the market cap sort of is likewise down, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. From truly most recent 7 days, the AVAX especially was in every way that really matters. Great vertical pattern and expanded by 0.2%, which certainly is very critical. Torrential slide basically has shown extremely short areas of strength for of potential recently, and this could be in every practical sense. Great chance to generally dive right in and contribute, which is very huge. Inside the sort of most recent 1 month, the cost of a VAX by and large diminished by 33.574%, killing an incredible in every practical sense. Normal amount of $7.13 from its genuinely current worth, exhibiting how torrential slide especially has shown areas of strength for fundamentally all expectations and purposes potential of late. And this could be decent and open door to for the most part dive right in and contribute, or so they generally thought. This unexpected down sort of implies that the coin for the most part is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can in a real sense be a sort of good by and large purchase, a valuable open door for by and large fast venture. So the AVAX cost could especially arrive at an especially greatest cost of $18.48, with the especially normal expected cost around $17.90, showing the way that the AVAX cost could generally arrive at a by and large most extreme cost of $17.79, with the typical cost around $17.22 in a sort of significant manner. The 90 days cost change most certainly is near 20.69%, and the value sort of circled from in every way that really matters. Least especially normal cost of $16.54 to pretty greatest by and large normal cost of $18.27 in the for the most part beyond 90 days in a genuinely significant manner. In kind of most recent 4 months, torrential slide especially has shown a developing pattern, exhibiting how these fundamentally are our torrential slide cost expectations for a VAX's future, which certainly is very huge. Hence, we sort of think that comparable pieces of the market most certainly were very famous at that period, showing how this in a real sense makes torrential slide by and large positioning at 16 in the digital money market in an all things considered huge way, as indicated by the most recent information gathered. The exchanging volume of torrential slide especially is expanded from 4 months, which generally is genuinely huge. The exchanging volume comprises a fundamental job in its cost, most certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. The coin especially is up by 14.38%, with the especially greatest in every way that really matters. Normal cost of the coin essentially was around $11.78, and the by and large least lovely typical cost of generally was around $11.56 and extremely beyond 4 months in an unobtrusive way. Torrential slide value conjecture 2023 FAQs. What will really be torrential slide kind of worth in 2023 in an especially enormous manner? The AVAX cost basically is estimated to arrive at a kind of most extreme degree of $19.37, with especially least cost of $17.91 toward the finish of 2023 in a very large manner. Torrential slides generally have a future in a sort of enormous manner. As far as value, torrential slide in every way that really matters has a remarkable kind of potential to sort of arrive at new levels in a very enormous manner. It is conjecture that a